So this morning we are looking at our DJI Pocket that is broken all of a sudden. So the camera is turned on by pulling the display in the direction here. It's supposed to snap in here. It doesn't anymore. It's somehow loose in there. And when you turn the camera off here, it's not really staying there. So something broke inside. Something is not right on the inside. Something came loose or what, I don't know. And yeah, on the Facebook, there's a Facebook group for the pocket cameras. In there, some DJI employee was asking to turn the camera off here with the record button and hold this 10 seconds. So I'm gonna hold 10 seconds. That's supposed to power it down all the way. So the 10 seconds are over now. Give it a few extras. And now it's like really powered up again. Okay, so let's see if it does it now. No, it's super loose here now, like this. Turns back on. You saw the logo there is like, see? It's not working. But there's a slight difference from yesterday though. Yesterday it was more springy. Like here, yeah. Yeah, it's not working, this power down thing. This push and hold for 10 seconds. Let's try this a second time. I also did a factory reset, that did not help. So we do 10 more seconds. Well, that was 10 seconds. And as you can see, there's some mechanical problem in here. See that? I guess I have to duct tape this thing in this position and then leave it like that. I don't understand why the thing has to flip anyway. Maybe if I could hot glue it into this position and then just leave it like that. I don't know. So they want me to contact support. Well, no, I thought I could use the camera over the long weekend we have, like next weekend. We have like Thanksgiving weekend. And I guess I'm not using this camera then or what? I don't know. Yeah, that's the status of my Pocket 3.